GitHub Copilot is rolling out a new feature called Stacked Sessions, designed to help developers manage complex, multi-stage code refactors. Think of it as an AI assistant that can orchestrate a series of code changes, with each step building on the last. This is a big leap from simple code completion to more sophisticated project management for AI-assisted development. Previously, updating large codebases with old dependencies, like a decade-old personal app, could take weeks of manual work. Stacked sessions allow developers to break down daunting refactoring tasks into manageable, sequential AI-driven steps. One developer used stacked sessions to modernize a legacy app, tackling dependency updates and style overhauls. When old development branches needed integration, the AI created a new session, closed the initial request, and ported styling to the correct branch. It even handled a tricky dependency by creating a specific stacked session for its replacement. This new feature truly transforms how we approach complex code refactors using GitHub Copilot.